Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot K-6 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So first we're going to take a look on the outside of this house. You can see there still need to be steps added. We have outside water and electric. That's your electrical outlet right there, and the other one. We have temporary steps here for now, but our guys will build these really nice steps. Taking a look inside, you can see you've got the kitchen right there. This is the living room. We still have some materials to be used building things all around. Here is your thermostat. This controls the temperature throughout the house. There is central air conditioning in this house. This is your refrigerator. All the appliances in this house are Whirlpool appliances. Got your freezer on top and your refrigerator below. Got this beautiful Backsplash subway tile that runs the length of the kitchen. This really nice sink. You've got that cutting board there, the drying rack, and the little drying tray. Here's that backsplash I was talking about. Got your microwave here. Below that is your oven stove combination. And here you have tons of cabinetry. This goes back super deep. And you've got these really nice slow closing mechanisms on the cabinet doors. So if you close something, it won't slam closed. This is your furnace. You can see it's an AirQuest. Really nice thing about AirQuests is you can change the filter super easily at the top there. They just pop right out and you put a new one in. This is your bathroom. You've got these really nice sliding glass doors. Black hardware throughout this house. So you can see, you've got the black right there, black shower head. Turning around, got a black faucet. Here is your toilet. Right above that, you have your vanity. And that's also a slow closing door as well. This is your back door. Right behind me here is where you would have a stackable washer and dryer. And this is your bedroom. I'd also like to point out that there is vinyl flooring throughout this house. This is your closet. Got a wire rack pre-installed. And that's your data plate right on the wall. Has all the information about this house. There are also cable jacks in this room and in the living room. This is your water heater. It's a 40-gallon tank. And behind the door here, you have the electrical panel. This is 100 amps and labeled for you, just like a regular home. Now, if you're interested in following the updates about this house, please subscribe to this channel. However, you can go to the website, www.myhomeincarteret, and fill out the pre-qualifying questions to get started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception, here's Raul. We're 4 generations The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the second generation, and then our nephew and our son are the third generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our fourth generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.